How to block sensitive content on Facebook. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to prevent the sensitive content from your Facebook account, then here's how you can do this process. But before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to block sensitive content on Facebook, simply go and open up the Facebook application from your phone. And from the Facebook homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the top right. And from the profile, tap on this three dot line at the top left. And then scroll down and you'll get to see the settings and privacy. You can tap on these and just go and tap on the settings option from the list. Now once you're here inside your Facebook settings, you just need to scroll down a little bit, and under the preferences you'll get to see the first option, content preferences. You can tap on content preferences, and inside this one the second option will come up, sensitive content. You can tap on these. It's currently selected with the default. That means you might see this content. If you want to show the less sensitive content, then you can select the second option, show less. This will mostly prevent to show any sensitive content on your Facebook. And once you've done that, go and tap on save, and the settings will both be saved right here. Tap on OK and you're pretty much good to go. And these settings will help you to prevent the sensitive content on your Facebook account. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.